I'm installing this oak gazebo, but first I want to show you how to mark out the footprint perfectly. I did show on a previous video how to square without a square, to some distaste, but I don't care if you don't like it because this could actually help someone. First, input your length and your width into the diagonal calculator to generate yourself a diagonal measurement. Then strike a chalk line. Then once you've centered your length measurement across that chalk line, from one of those marks you can use that diagonal measurement to strike a diagonal line. It will come out like sort of like a radius, and you want to aim roughly where you think the corner is going to be. Then where your width measurement from that chalk line intersects that radius of a line, that point is perfectly square to the other point. So you can parallel your lines, you've got a perfect rectangle. Then you can use that to position your saddle stones absolutely perfectly without any trouble. Right, so on this project, I did start at the back of the structure, mainly because it was more detailed, drilling the centre of each post, sat them in with the floating plates, and installed the studs and braces first before I installed the top plate, obviously. That top plate was like 250 kilograms, so that thing was mighty heavy, and a genie lift was essential. The front was pretty much the same process, and interconnecting top plates also, but I don't know if you noticed, I did actually only put one of the pegs in the braces to allow a little bit of wiggle room to make that positioning of that top post a little bit easier. As we had it up above our heads, it just made it a little easier to get into position. I don't really want to go into the roof too much because I want to cover that in future videos, but please give us a follow or subscribe and let me know what you think about the video, guys.